I am Chucky, the killer dog.
Hiya, Georgie. What a nice boat.
Just can't keep a good guy down.
You'll float down there. We'll float down there. Yes, we do.
I'll be back. I always come back.
Beep, beep, Richie.
Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. This is Brian from Spooky Laters. Hey, check this out, man. I have a gut feeling that Spirit Halloween is gonna knock our socks off this year. And so I've been saving up quite a bit, and Home Depot obviously is trying to be a heavyweight contender in the Halloween field. And they're gonna have some good props this year too. Got a lot more Halloween yet to come. We have full teasers by Spirit Halloween coming really soon. So in the meantime, I missed out getting these last year. They had them at Walmart. So I decided I'd go online and take a look, and they still had some available. So I bought these two. They're the Airblown Inflatables, the Chucky, and our little Pennywise right there. So I'm gonna set these up for you guys, give you a full review on them, and take a look at these. I love inflatables, and I definitely love my Chucky and my Pennywise. So hang tight. Let's get these bad boys blown up. This is really nice. I like it because it's really heavy immediately. So they got sandbags in them, which is good. And you know what was strange? They came in a box. I didn't read the instructions or nothing, but there's a comb in here. I don't know if he's supposed to be combing his hair or what. That was, I don't know if that's a gag gift or what. But with that being said, let's go ahead and plug these in. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. There they go. And turn off this light here. You got some big heads. Look at that. I'm excited for Halloween 2021, folks. Hopefully you guys are. Oh, look at Chucky. He's all jacked up. Look at this. I like that. That is hilarious. He's actually quite big. A lot bigger than what I was expecting. All right, here we go. His head is ginormous. That's all I can say. Really cool looking. And I know these were last year, and that's an officially licensed one right here, the Chucky one. Let's fix his hair right there real quick. I like these. Check these out. Check these out, man. It's a good guy, doll. He's just hanging out there with Rosemary. Why is it when I do these videos you come naked, little girl? Yes, is that funny or what? Yeah. You like those? Which one do you like best? Pennywise or Chucky?
Pennywise.
Pennywise? You like Pennywise? You know it's weird? He came with a comb. I don't know if he's supposed to be holding a comb. Let's see, watch. He came with this comb. Maybe he's supposed to hold it to comb his hair. Because he's like the Fonz. He's cool like that. You like Pennywise though? Why? Because he has a balloon? My daughter just got out of the bath again. I try to beat her before she comes in my videos. But I think she knows I'm doing something and she gets out as fast as possible.
Yeah, they tried to beat me.
Yeah. Are they cool or what?
Yeah.
Do you like them? Are they your favorite ones? Yeah, I like them. I think those are really neat. I don't know if I want to leave these ones outside though. I probably like bring these in because they're just too nice. I might actually just leave them inside for fun. Huh? You want one in your room?
Yeah.
For a nightlight?
Yeah.
We just might keep these inside because we get all kinds of free inflatables.
I can try on tonight.
I can put them in your room tonight if you want.
And I can listen to it.
Well, it'll just make that sound. And then they'll light up your room some. You dig it?
Who turns them off?
Well, we can turn them off in the morning. They could stand all night. These don't take a lot of energy, and they're safe. They got LED lights, not old-fashioned lights. Okay, well, you go get dressed and let me finish doing what I gotta do, kid. I'm like super impressed with these. You know, I like inflatables and all, but these ones are just, you know, they're air blown, so they're high quality as is. Let me bring him out a little bit so we can kind of take a look at his full body here. So this is what he looks like in the back. He's got a little jumper and everything right there. Lights light up pretty good. No weapons or anything. Maybe I should modify him and put some kind of weapon on it, because you know Chucky should have a weapon. He's hilarious. All right, so let's put him back. And you know what? They have good pumps on these, because they actually fill up pretty good. I mean, this feels like a big balloon. Not too much give in there. So that one's really good. I like that. All right, so let's bring out Pennywise a tad bit. We can look at him from behind. So he's pretty hard. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pennywise, he's falling down. Head over heels for Brian for Spooky Laters. All right, let's put him right there. So it's nicely made. I love his smile, his face. It's really cool. He's got the balloon. Oh, so it's like connected. It's like connected right there, and it looks like he's holding the string. That's pretty cool. Pretty ingenious. Come behind him. Take a look. That's what he looks like from behind. Really neat. I'm totally digging these. I'm glad I picked these up. But since we're talking about being glad and picking things up, Spirit Halloween came out with their first prop of the year, Barry. And I did get him. I love cage props. I've always loved cage props. I don't know why. So I definitely picked him up. He's not like the world's coolest one, but he's a cage prop, and I like hanging props. That's what I like, you know. So hopefully you guys like this review. But these guys are pretty neat. Until next time, this is Brian for Spooky Laters. Y'all stay spooky, my friends, and I'll see you next video when I get Barry and I unbox him for you guys. All right, hang tight. Peace, love, and geese.